Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's Victor from www.veuniverse.com, bringing to you the best tips and strategies on how to grow your wealth. On this channel, we talk about how to make money. We talk about how to make money in the stock market, bonds, real estate, online money, small business, and technical concept. Today I'm again with another amazing video. This time around it's not going to be in the electric vehicle industry, it's in the renewable energy, solar specifically. As you can see, the solar panels are moving left and right, people moving it from one spot to another, installing them on the rooftop. That's what we're going to talk about today. Without wasting much of the time, let's get straight into business because time is money. But before we proceed, I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Can I have you all to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, press the bell notification to be notified anytime I upload a new video. You see, I create this video as educational purpose only, educational and entertainment as a matter of fact. So if you want to invest, do your research or contact a financial planner, a financial advisor, because anytime you invest at your own risk. And for people who want to get into the stock market and you don't know where to start, I actually created a stock market online course called Growing Well with Stocks. I'm going to drop it in the description, below, or I'll drop the link right here. It's an online course, just like you can get a course from Udemy or Teachable. Growing Well with Stocks, it tells you what are stocks, where can you buy stock, how do you make money from stocks, how to evaluate risk management, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. But now let's get back to business. So SolarMax Technology is merging with Alberton Acquisition Corp. So now we are moving to renewable. We were talking about electric the other day. So you see how the SPAC keeps coming. It's keep coming. Now is the trend. A lot of SPACs are coming in and investors are making it big with the SPAC. So in this particular video, we're going to talk about the news of the merger between SolarMax Technology and the SPAC that they are merging with, because they are merging with Alberton Acquisition Corp. We're going to talk about the SPAC also. We will look at the future of SolarMax, what are their products, and see what they do. So right now, I am right in front of their website, as you can see, but let's head over to so right now, let's go to the news. Let's go deep into the news. Alberton Acquisition Corp announces signing of merger agreement with SolarMax Technology. So here is a SPAC, but in the renewable industry. So let's keep going down. Alberton Acquisition Corp, NASDAQ, so it's listed ALAC, that's the ticker symbol, announced today that it has entered into an agreement and plan of merger, a merger agreement by and among Alberton, SolarMax Technology, a Nevada corporation, SolarMax. So again, it comes down here, the whole owned subsidiary, with SolarMax continuing as a surviving corporation of the merger, becoming a direct hold-owned subsidiary of Alberton, with SolarMax stockholders receiving in respect of their SolarMax shares. Alberton shares having a value of, wow, 300 million. The value of the shares of Alberton stock is the price per share equal to the price at which a share of Alberton common stock is redeemed in connection with the merger. So now it gives us, what exactly is SolarMax. So SolarMax is an integrated solar energy company It was founded in 2008 to conduct business in the US and subsequently commenced operation in China following low acquisition in 2015. So it just tells us what the company is. When you scroll down, you have the management, commentary, the chief executive officer, Guan Wang. You have, all this information. Let's keep scrolling down. Okay, here where we have the summary of transaction. Under the terms of the merger agreement, SolarMax shareholders will receive consideration in the form of newly issued Albertan equity securities, having a value of $300 million. So you see SPAC always coming with this huge amount of money. In addition, all SolarMax stock options and convertible notes will be assumed by Albertan following the consummation of the merger. So the closing condition of the merger include, among others, the approval of the merger from Albertan existing shareholders and approvals from SolarMax stockholders. So this is normally what happens during any merger. And let's come down here and see. Let's come down here and see the approval by NASDAQ for continuing listing post-merger and Albertan having at least $500 million of net tangible assets either prior or upon completion of the merger and any relating financing. So yeah, so this is the news. They are merging. You can come down here and get more details. I don't have to go into that. But what is in it for investors? When investors want to invest, they want to see if a company is creating value, if they will be able to make money from that company. So that's why we are heading back to SolarMax. With SolarMax, let's check the products. When you look at the product of SolarMax, they have solar panels, which solar panels are what we install in the roof to receive energy from the sun. Photovoltaic cells absorbs it in the form of photons. It comes in as direct energy, and then you use inverters to convert it to alternating energy or current, which we utilize at home to light the bulb, your cooker, your television. They all go with alternating current. So they already have a product. That's the good thing. So they are involved in the design, manufacturing, installation of solar panel, both residential and industrial. Okay, what other products do they have? They have home batteries. When you look at the solar system, the complex part of the solar system is that when during peak hours, when there is sun, when it absorbs all this energy, it utilizes that energy at that point. But guess what? In the evening, when there is no sun, or during the afternoon when there is too much sun, if you don't utilize all that energy, it will be dissipated. So now you need another system, which is the battery storage, which will store that energy for you to be able to use during off-peak when there is no sun. So in the evening, you can use it. So they also have that product. So that's product number 2. Product number 3, electric car charging. So let's go into that. That's fascinating. So they are also getting into the electric vehicle industry. So they have solar electric charging station. They already have it. It's already existing. So another stream of income coming in. Another source of income coming in. So you can see they already have location with electric charging, station. So you can come in, place your order if you want them to install, more information on charging your electric car with solar. So you can do it at your home. Just, it's even indicated here. You can call them, they come and install it at your home. at your business facility, anywhere, they will come in and install the solar car charging system. So that's amazing. So let's go to some of the products. So they have the solar panel. So let's check out the solar panel. Okay, residential solar panel made to a higher standard of quality. So they have quality solar panels. So installation, maintenance, and the design, they're also taking care of that. So to me, the company already have products, and that's what investors want. The more product, the more they make money. And then this particular company being in the solar, what that tells you, it tells me that this is a competitor to Tesla Solar City, and they're all originating from California. I'm looking at Solar Max as, long term, between 2 to 3 years, not short term. Long term, that's when I think they will have more potential. The fact that it's a SPAC is good because it's kicking off from a base, support resistance from $10 moving upward. Again, can I have you all to like the video and subscribe if you haven't? It does, boost up the algorithm. So, with all this product, with all these services, what do you think about Solar Max? Is it for long term? Is it short term? Do you want to buy it and swing it? Drop me a comment down below. I would like to know. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so let's go back and see how much, what is the price? What's the price? Does it have a competitive price right now? Is it still okay to go in right now? For now, it's sitting at $11.20. Is it still okay to buy? Is it too late? To me, for SPAC, I normally go in when it is less than $15. When it gets to 16, 17, 18, I kind of say away. It already moved. So, again, drop me a comment below. I would like to know, would you go in for Solar Max technology now that the price seems to be fair, or would you wait and then see how it goes? For me, I like it for long term, So this brings us to the end of this video. So please like, share, subscribe. Drop me a comment below, if it's something that you would consider buying. Until then, I will see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Goodbye now.